walk in the door, when they visit us, now that we can say, we have banners of, hey, get our mobile app, start here, go from here, let us help guide you, make it easy for you. And we can also cut down on some of the questions we get, right, from the students and their parents that are coming in. Where is this? How do I do that? Oh yeah, we've got it lined up for you based on the most common things we get right here in the app. Our goal there is to have a single front door, right? Because before we got the Modo platform and started building out, we actually started to have a proliferation of apps growing on the campus, a little app for this and a little app for this. Well, not everyone wants to download 10 apps. We try to make this mobile experience the front door for campus.
The first is that there's a lot of siloed chatbots out there that sort of have their own information. They're not connected, they don't know about each other, and they serve one single purpose. So like Todd had talked about earlier with this app sprawl on campus, we've seen the same thing with this chatbot sprawl, where you have a ton of different chatbots, each of which has been installed, maybe paid for by a different department. They're all doing their own thing. A lot of money, a lot of cost, lack of coordination. They are very limited in the information they can retrieve because they just have this sort of set of data that they work on. They're really not personalized for the user. And so if you're asking something like the screenshot that I took from UC San Diego, what holds do I have? It's like, well, you can go on this website. You probably know what the website is. I'm not going to tell you how to get there. And then go find the holds to and look there. That's not really the answer that the students are expecting today. And so it's not able to guide them or do it. It's just saying, hey, you can go here and try to find it out. And of course, investing in models like these require a ton of investment, time, money, and energy. Like I said, it's action-oriented. Like we talked about earlier, it's not just answering, but acting. And so it helps students actually decide what to do. It's not just spitting information, it's guiding them to the next step. I've eaten some lunch. It's Sunday. I'm thinking about the week ahead. I need to figure out what's going on. What assignments are coming up? So in this case, we're just asking about assignments. And just with that, we have enough to know we need to go talk to Canvas and see exactly what's coming up for me. And so I've got some stuff due today, tomorrow, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wow, I've got a lot to do. This is all coming up for me. Wednesday, and it's actually giving me a little guidance at the bottom. We've got quite a bit doing biology the next week. Yeah, no kidding. Worth prioritizing the homework due today. Great. You will also see for a lot of these responses, what we call a call to action button. So this says open in Canvas. This app also has a Canvas integration in place. So I can tap this and go directly into the Canvas module. Again, I might not have known that it was there, but now I can see my courses, my current grades. I can dig into this. Now I'm going to go back because the agent's a lot of fun. But these call to action buttons exist just to make the experience a little bit easier and more streamlined for those users in case they want to go in and get some more stuff done. So I got my assignments.
Now, remember before, people could find this information in the app, but now it's like stream of consciousness. It flows. They no longer have to click, even with their thumbs, to get in the app and go figure out this information. It's assembling it. What would have taken them multiple kind of touches, right, to go in and look at each course and see what assignments were there. It can now surface all that information together in a flow, and it's a flow that they're used to working with in other apps and in other tools. So now it's just a natural, another way to engage that hopefully is really smooth for them. We weren't looking just for a chatbot, right? But we were looking to reduce friction. Students were already navigating fewer systems because of the app, but they're still navigating, right? So we saw AI as a way to simplify further. We're not trying to replace our core apps or systems, but we're trying to make that interaction more natural.